In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gann Square in TradingView. By the end, you'll be comfortable placing the tool on your chart and understanding why the anchor points you choose matter. Start by opening your chart on TradingView so you're looking at the market you want to analyze. The Gann Square is designed to overlay a geometric framework on price action, helping you visualize balance between price and time. It's most helpful when placed thoughtfully, so give yourself a clear view of the recent swing structure before you begin. Next, head to the left toolbar on your TradingView interface. Look for the section labeled Gann and Fibonacci Tools. This is where TradingView groups geometric and ratio-based tools. Click to open that list, then select Gann Square. Once selected, your cursor will be ready to place the tool directly on the chart. The Gann Square uses two anchor points to define its scale and orientation. Think of these anchors as the foundation of the framework. Your first click tells TradingView where the square begins, and your drag to the second point tells it how large and at what angle to construct the grid. Choose the first anchor at a major pivot, either a prominent swing high or a prominent swing low. A major pivot is a clear turning point where price reversed direction in a noticeable way, not just a tiny pause in the trend. It often stands out with several bars leading into it and away from it, and it represents a significant local high or low. Placing your first anchor here ensures the square is aligned with a meaningful market move. After you've clicked that first pivot, drag to the next major pivot point in the swing sequence. If you started at a swing low, the second anchor is typically the subsequent swing high. And if you started at a swing high, the second anchor is the subsequent swing low. Keep your placement consistent, whether you prefer aligning to wicks or closing prices, and favor clear, well-defined pivots. When you release the mouse at the second pivot, TradingView will draw the Gann Square based on those two anchors. Once the square is on your chart, focus on how its structure relates to the move you selected. The distance between your anchors sets the square's proportions, so selecting obvious, significant pivots gives you a cleaner read. Larger, more dominant swings create a broader framework, while smaller swings produce a tighter context around recent price action. That's all there is to placing it. Open your chart, pick the tool from Gann and Fibonacci Tools, click a major pivot, and drag to the next one. With consistent anchor choices, the Gann Square can become a clear, reliable map of the market's geometry.